Hi, welcome to Vince's Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking hot Italian sausage. Hi, welcome to Vince's Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking hot Italian sausage. I'm going to show you the ingredients right now. Let's have a look. This way. We've got Italian penne pasta, onions, parsley, pork mince, sea salt, chopped tomatoes, garlic, tomato puree, eggs, chilies, fennel, chilies, flaked, black peppercorns. That's right, yeah. Paprika, extra virgin olive oil, some wine and basil. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get the pork mince into the bowl. So let's get this going on. Okay, so we're going to use some chopped chilies. So I'm going to go in with the chilies, gonna get this garlic chopped. A little garlic. Okay, so that's the garlic in. Next we're going to put some fennel. So we've got some paprika. Chili flakes. Need some egg white. Okay, so I'm going to put some parsley in there. Okay, now first we did say we were going to cook the sausages, however, we don't have skins to make sausages or the tools. So we're going to make meatballs. Hot Italian meatballs. Very fresh taste. There goes some parsley. I'm going to spice this up a little bit. Got some coriander. You don't have to make these into meatballs. You can make burgers. You can make a steak. It's up to you. Okay. Coriander. Okay, so there we go. You've got coriander, you've got your parsley, and all your spices. And the egg whites. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to switch this all together. It needs to mix evenly. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to get our sauce ready. We've got the onions in the pan. Nicely, add some garlic. So now we've got the tomato puree in. Some tomatoes. Okay. Okay, so we've got the tomatoes in, tomato puree, we've got the onions in, we've got the garlic in, one little chilli in there too. Next one we're going to get some basil, and we're just going to throw the leaves in, yeah? This is what you get with a pomodoro. That's right. Okay, so we've got some olive oil in the pan here, so what we're going to do is get ready to fry off the meatballs. Okay, so we've got our mix here, so what we're going to do is make some meatballs, yeah? So, it's going to grab a little bit, depending on how much you want. That's a fairly decent sized meatball. You can go go smaller, you can go larger. You can make a steak. That's probably a better size. Get these meatballs cooked, we need to get them sealed. Let's get them in the pan. Get them looking tasty and good. Now these meatballs are starting to look like meatballs. Once they're ready, we're going to pop them into the sauce and let them cook further in the sauce, and all the flavours are going to explode into the sauce. It's going to be beautiful. Here we've got hot Italian meatballs ready. You're going to love this. Now this is going to warm the cockles. Are these looking good, Finn?
Yeah.
Now that these meatballs are sealed, they're going to go straight in the sauce. They're going to cook further in the sauce. Let's get them in. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make hot Italian meatballs. I'll see you next time.